Hi friends, in this video I wanted to show you all how I organize my pantry. This is the pantry given in my apartment. This is in medium size and I have used some baskets to organize it. And my kitchen is small, so I kept some of my electric appliances here. And most of the frequently used food items I have used in the kitchen, and the remaining leftover items I kept in the pantry. If you like this video, please give a like and subscribe to my channel. Let us see the process how I organized them. In the first row, I have placed these kind of baskets here. With the help of holes, it is easy to pull over and put over there. So in the first basket, I have used some steel vessels, and in the second baskets, I have kept some cereal bags here. They are occupying lot of space, and I use them rarely. So after usage, I sealed with the clips, and in another basket I kept my poha and puffed rice. They are also taking lot of space, and I even covered with them with the sealed clips. So once it is used, and they are lightweight, so we can easily put them back. In the second row, I have placed all my spices. I have categorized into different types and stored accordingly. This is my hand mixer I have placed here, and this is one of my container. Here I have written what is there inside. Ginger powder, I have ginger powder here, cinnamon here, salt is there, and pepper is there, cloves is there, ajwain is there. So if I take this container, and I used to make some home kashayam if kids have any cold and all, so I make any kashayam. So all are here. You can see pepper, cloves, and ginger powder is here. So ajwain seeds are here. So if I want to make any kashayam, I will grab this container and I can access all of the items. And in this basket I have written masala powders. So this is like pani puri masala is here, and chaat masala is here, and biryani masala, garam masala is here. After usage I have tied with this rubber band so it stays fresh. And this is one of other basket, and I have placed basin floor and all-purpose floor here. This is my 3-stair rack. I have used here 3-stair rack, and the remaining other spices I have placed like dhania seeds here, pepper powder is here, and pink salt is here, cocoa powder is here. Still I have some place left. I can put some of other items also. Plastic bag holder. With the help of a command hook I have placed it. I tried to fix it with the help of push pins, but it was not able to stand. So with the help of command hook it is able to stand on the wall. And this is my third row, and this is totally for the electronic items. So I have placed a shelf liner here, and afterwards I Instapot. This Instapot I used to use very rarely, so I kept Instapot here. In such a big occasions I used to take them out and I used to do it. And here is my ninja blender. So I used to take it every day, but still it is, I don't want to keep it in the place of kitchen counter. I wanted to keep it clean, so whenever I want it I took it out. I'll take it out, and it has some suction suction kind of things here. So if you place on this any sticky counter, then it will stick. Otherwise if you place any placemat here, it is easy to grab. Otherwise it will be sticking and it is difficult to take it out. And I have placed my mixie here. Since the whites are too long, so with the help of this thing I tied like this, so it will not tangle each other. And even I have this sandwich maker here. I used to use this one also very, very often, but still I want to keep everything in a single place, so it is easy for me to grab anything if I want to have. And in this leftover place I kept some aluminum foil here and some plastic wrap here. So in this way also I used my space. This is my other row of the pantry, and this is the place where I keep all my daily needs here. These are other two baskets here. I refill them after usage, and this is the last basket. I keep my Ziplocs here. These are the food items I am going to use on a daily basis. So I kept in one of the kitchen cabinet. This is my rice bag, and this is atta, and these are groundnuts, and here is the quinoa, and another shelf. These are oats, and this is tur dal and urad dal and moong dal and rava and some other dals and cashew nuts here. Idli rava is here. So they are very close to my stove, so I can access them whenever I am cooking. So I arranged in this way. This is my bottom shelf, and in the bottom shelf we can place any heavy items. I taken a heavy box here, and I placed my bigger vessels like rice cooker vessel is here, and these are my heavy pans here. So I am using them very occasionally, so I placed all of them together. And these are another basket. They are very deep enough. All of the snacks are kept here. So it is holding lot of items here, and we can take whatever you want it. And in another basket I have placed all the noodles packets here. After usage, with the help of sealers, I placed them here. And some soup packets are here, and macaroni cheese packets also here. So my bottom shelf is looking like this. On top of the shelf, I have placed two other boxes. I have got some extra Ninja blenders, and some extra glasses are there, so I have placed over them. I am not going to use them, so I kept on top of everything. And if you write something like this, then you will not forget what is there inside. So in this way also we can utilize that space. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please give a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you later in the other video.